Organizational effectiveness may be defined as the capacity of an institution to transform intention into consistent performance, allocating resources in ways that sustain mission, adaptability, and legitimacy. It is not merely a question of greater effort. Rather, it concerns the alignment of structure, culture, information, and decision-making with clearly specified objectives. The first requirement is strategic clarity. When goals are ambiguous, even competent personnel may pursue incompatible priorities, resulting in duplication, delay, and hidden conflict. An effective organization, therefore, begins by translating abstract purpose into measurable outcomes, ensuring that every unit can understand both its contribution and its limits. In this sense, strategy serves as a common language linking leadership to execution. The second requirement is role coherence. Individuals perform more reliably when responsibilities are explicit, authority is proportionate, and coordination mechanisms are dependable. Poorly designed hierarchies often generate uncertainty, while excessively rigid systems suppress initiative. The most effective arrangements tend to balance discipline with discretion, allowing employees to exercise judgment within well-defined boundaries. A third condition is informational integrity. Decisions improve when relevant data are timely, accurate, and accessible. Institutions that rely on informal impressions alone are vulnerable to bias and inertia, whereas those that institutionalize feedback loops can identify problems earlier and adjust faster. Measurement, however, must not be mistaken for meaning. Indicators are useful only when interpreted in relation to the broader organizational context. Culture also exerts a decisive influence. Norms of trust, accountability, and mutual respect can reduce transaction costs and sustain cooperation under pressure. Conversely, cultures marked by fear or symbolic compliance often conceal failure until it becomes expensive or irreversible. For this reason, leadership must model the behaviors it seeks to normalize, since formal policy without behavioral credibility rarely endures. Enhancing effectiveness further requires investment in learning. Organizations operate in changing environments, and what worked previously may become suboptimal as conditions evolve. Training, review, and experimentation are therefore not optional embellishments, but central mechanisms of adaptation. The capacity to learn from error, rather than to deny it, distinguishes resilient institutions from fragile ones. In practical terms, effectiveness is enhanced through periodic assessment and redesign. Processes should be examined for redundancy, bottlenecks, and unclear ownership. Communication channels should be simplified where possible, and performance expectations should be linked to outcomes rather than ritual. At the same time, improvement must be pursued without assuming that efficiency alone is sufficient. An organization may become faster while still serving the wrong end. The most persuasive model of organizational effectiveness is thus integrative. It joins purpose with procedure, measurement with judgment, and authority with accountability. When these elements are balanced, institutions become not only more productive but also more coherent, more responsive, and more capable of sustaining their mission over time.